Do you know many people are having trouble with replacing the front headlight of their 2013 Toyota Prius? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Identify faulty bulb. Firstly, identify the wattage of the faulty light bulb you aim to replace. Step 2. Remove low beam. Turn the bulb base counterclockwise to remove the headlight low beam for halogen headlights. Step 3. Get replacement bulb. Ensure you have the exact replacement bulb on hand. Step 4. Replace necessary lights. Replace required lights, including the front side marker light, headlight high beam, fog light, front turn signal light, and parking light. Step 5. Avoid damaging components. Avoid damaging any of the components during the replacement process. Step 6. Consider dealership help. If uneasy about the replacement process, consider engaging your Toyota dealer for help. You've made it to the end, and you should now be able to replace the 2013 Toyota Prius headlight by yourself. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Toyota users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.